Hello everybody and welcome to session 5. You guys have done wonderful so far in really learning how to integrate technology into your classrooms and setting up the technology in the classroom and getting your thoughts out about different resources that you can use. And we're going to be taking those resources that we kind of built out last week in our DIGO and actually integrating them and talking about a framework for using technology in our lessons and in our activities. So what we're going to be learning about first is the TPAC Framework, which is Technological Pedagogical Content Knowledge, which is a big long name for actually a very simple concept. So we're going to be learning about this concept, and you'll be completing a little bit of a quiz to kind of self-check where you are in the TPAC Framework. This isn't, I don't care what grade you get as long as you complete the activity. It's really more about your self-checking and really making sure that you understand that framework before you move on to the next activity, which is where we're going to actually be talking about lesson development and taking lessons that we already have that already work in our classrooms and building them up and supporting them with technology. So not starting with the technology, but starting with the content and then building out the pedagogy to support that content and then adding in that additional support through technology and the resources available to you to really support both the pedagogy and the content. So we're going to be talking about how we kind of build lessons around that. And the peer support this week is very important. What I want you to do when you go in there and you reply to posts and assignment 5.2 is to really support your peers. If there's an area that you see that they may need more assistance, or if you have a great resource that you think would be a great addition to their project, or you've seen a web tool that you think would be great to integrate into that activity, make sure to add it. That would be all technological knowledge. If there's something that you know a little bit more, or a different angle that you've taken on a project that they're teaching the same kind of thing, you share those ideas, share some of the pedagogy that have really worked with you. With each other. So this is really a collaborative project. So I highly encourage you to post more than the 2 times that are required. This is to really build out and really support each other. And you can take these ideas yourself and use them in your classroom. So I highly encourage peer support, and I'll be very engaged this week as well. So after this week, we're going to then be enjoying Thanksgiving, but once we rejoin, we'll be talking about assessment for this activity. So we're going to be talking just a little bit about assessment this week, but really building out the assessment piece for session 6. And I know there's a lot to do this week, and we can push through it and really enjoy our Thanksgiving break. So I hope you have a wonderful Thanksgiving and a wonderful week, and I will see you online. Bye, guys.